What is up, guys? Tech Knight 2 here with some more Escalation! Welcome to Escalation Week with Tech Knight. Today we are Ratchet with a subsonic repeater and an energon harvester. And we're gonna run around today. What do we have here again? Security drones? Cool, we don't have that yet. And we're gonna run around as Ratchet. Now, the thing I liked about the Ratchet and Fall of Cybertron series was, alright, not stopping like that, but the little circles that comes out when he drives, like, I like that about his chassis when you play as him. I have no idea where I'm going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, God. Blew you up. Oh, my gosh. Alright, got you. Now, no. Let's heal. Hi. Bye. Hi. Yeah. Gotcha. In the face. Alright, now, you know what sucks here? This! Meh. Kaboom! Alright, we're gonna use a little energon. We're gonna use the thermal mines and the energon recharger. We'll kill this guy here. Alright, we're not gonna die. At least we're gonna try. Alright, we died. Sounds wonderful, sounds good. I love dying. I'm just chilling. We're just chilling. Alright. So let's see. What do we have here? Ooh, what is this? A turret? What kind of turret is this?
4, 3, 2. Turret installation online.
Yay! Alright, this is our what? Our corrosive slime cannon. I mean our corrosive cannon thing. Alright. Stick behind our turret, friend. Come on, transform. Ah!
Press on. Turret installation offline.
Okay. Mr. Turret. Alright. And we died there. But that's okay. We're gonna drive, we're gonna drive.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, hey, we're back to our turret. Heavy ammo, we could use that earlier. Da 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 da. Alright, got one of those. We're just browsing around. Browsing around town. I'm just walking. We're just seeing what's up. We're still on wave 1 of 15. What's over here? More cool stuff? I don't think there's anyone like around here. What do we got here? A turret! Yay! What's this? A dead guy? I made him do a flip. What is this? Corrosive insulation. Yeah, why not? Use the money!
Installation online.
Upgrade!
Installation repaired.
I didn't mean to repair it. Da 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 da. What if I drive? Meh. Drive. Ah! Blah blah. Blah. Da. Da. Turret. Blah. Blah 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 blah. Health. Yay. Blah. Wait, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use it. Burn! Burn to the ground. Alright. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to comment below letting me know what you guys would like to see next. I'll see you guys in a future Escalation video. Have a great day! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Also, click on the video for more content. Have a good day, everyone.